Welcome back to Ian's Gadget. Now, if you've ever stood in front of a washing machine feeling confused about all the buttons and cycles, you're not alone. Many people throw in clothes, press start, and just hope for the best. But using your washing machine the right way actually saves you money, keeps your clothes looking new for longer, and prevents damage to the washing machine. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to use a washing machine. I'll explain why each step matters, common mistakes to avoid, and pro tips that make laundry easier. By the end of this video, you'll be a laundry pro. The first step that is overlooked by many is sorting laundry. Always start by sorting your clothes. This is the foundation of good laundry. Separate whites from darks and bright colors. Washing a white shirt with a red sock can turn it pink, and that's not what you want. Break clothes down into fabric types. You can separate them into cottons, synthetics, wool, and delicates. Heavy jeans don't wash well together with delicate blouses. Pay attention to levels of dirt. Clothes that are muddy or oily should be washed separately so dirt doesn't spread to clean items. Always check pockets before throwing clothes in. Coins, tissues, pens, or even keys can cause major problems. I've seen washers jammed just because someone forgot coins in their jeans pocket. Sorting takes an extra 2 minutes, but it protects your clothes and makes them last longer. Step number 2 is to check the care labels. Every piece of clothing comes with a care label, usually inside the neckline or waistband. These tiny tags show important washing instructions. For example, a 30 degrees Celsius symbol means wash in cold water. 40 degrees Celsius is warm water. 60 degrees Celsius is hot wash, usually for whites or towels. A literal hand symbol means hand wash only. A circle with a cross means dry clean only. Following these instructions is key. Otherwise, clothes can shrink, stretch, or fade. Example, wool sweaters often shrink if washed on hot. Silk loses its shine if put in a rough spin. Step number 3, load the washing machine. Now it's time to load the washer, but don't just stuff clothes in. There's a right way. Place clothes loosely inside the drum so they can move freely during the wash. Don't overload the washer. A good rule, leave a hand's width of space at the top. If it's jam-packed, water and detergent won't circulate properly. On the other hand, don't underload too much either. Washing 2 shirts alone wastes water and electricity. For front loaders, clothes tumble in and out of the water, so space is important. For top loaders, balance the load so the drum doesn't tilt. Lastly, overloading can damage the motor, shorten the machine's life, and leave the clothes half clean. Step number 4 now is just to add the detergent. Detergent is what actually cleans your clothes, but many people get this step wrong. Modern washers have a detergent drawer with compartments. One for the detergent, liquid or powder, one for the fabric softener, and one for bleach in some models. Use the right type of detergent. Liquid detergent is great for cold washes and dissolves quickly. On the other hand, powder detergent works well for everyday loads and tough stains. Pods are easy but more expensive. Just toss them directly in the drum. Now I've done a video where I explain about the type of detergent, liquid, powder. I've also done about the compartment drawer. Yeah, so you can just go to my channel, check out those videos. Okay, always measure detergent. Too much creates extra suds, which can cause SUD errors or leave residue on clothes. Too little won't clean properly. Now, I've done a video on how to clear and fix the SUD error. You can go back to my videos and check it in case you're having SUD errors. I've also done other videos on other errors like the 5C error, DC error, and many other problems your washer could be experiencing. Now, if you have a high efficiency HE washer, and use HE detergent. Regular detergent makes too many bubbles. Adding fabric softener keeps clothes soft and smelling fresh, but don't overdo it. Think of detergent like seasoning food. The right amount gives the best results. Step number 5, select the wash cycle. This is where most people get confused. All those buttons and symbols, let's break it down. Common cycles include normal cotton cycle for everyday clothes like shirts, jeans, and socks. Delicate cycle is gentle wash for lingerie, silk, or light fabrics. Quick wash is a short cycle, good for lightly warm colors. Heavy duty for towels, beddings, and heavy soiled clothes. Eco or energy saver uses less water and power but takes longer. Each cycle changes water temperature, spin speed, and wash time. That's why choosing the right one matters. Pro tips: use cold water for dark colors, prevents fading, and hot water for whites, removes stains and kills germs. If you're unsure, start with the normal cycle. It works for most clothes. Step number 6, start the machine. Once everything's set, close the washer door firmly. On the front loaders, the door locks automatically after you press start. Hit the power button, then start. Many modern washers show the estimated time on the display. Now just let the machine to do the work. These extra tips comes in handy. Remove clothes quickly once the cycle ends. Leaving them inside causes wrinkles and mildew smell. Shake out clothes before hanging or drying. This makes ironing much easier. Leave the washer door open slightly after use. It prevents mold and keeps it smelling fresh. Clean the detergent drawer once a month to stop buildup. Run a maintenance wash or empty cycle with hot water and vinegar or machine cleaner. This removes residue and extends the life of your washer. Always check and clean the lint filter or pump filter if your machine has one. Now, I've done a video here on how to thoroughly clean and maintain your washer. Just check. I've also shown how to clean the lint or pump filter. So all these videos are just on this channel. Just take your time, go watch them. They are very invaluable videos. And that's the complete step-by-step guide to using a washing machine. As you can see, it's more than just pressing start. Sorting, choosing the right cycle, and maintaining your washer all make a huge difference. If you follow these tips, your clothes will stay fresh and your washer will last for years. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to Ian's Gadgets, and turn on the notification bell for more appliance tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.